Hello, welcome to KC's eScience. This is part 6 video of the first chapter crop production and management of class 8th. First step in agriculture is protection from weeds. Protection from weeds. See, we already discussed about the first 4 steps: preparation of soil, then sowing. Next we studied about adding manure and fertilizer. Then we added water, that is irrigation. Now our task is to protect the crops from weeds. See, so we must first know what are weeds. Okay, weeds are unwanted plants. Okay, weeds are the unwanted plants that grow along with the crops. So weeds are the unwanted plants or unnecessary plants, or we can say that undesirable plants. We not at all want those plants along with our crops. So such unnecessary plants, you might have seen some small plants are growing along with the crops. These unwanted plants are called weeds. Okay, these weeds need to be removed from our crop field. What happens if we are not removing the weeds? Okay, weeds need to be removed. Otherwise, these weeds will compete with the crops. Okay, it will compete with the crops for what? It will compete with the crops for nutrients. We applied a lot of nutrients in the form of manures and fertilizer. Okay, then we applied water. These weeds will compete for water. It will compete for light. Okay, all these are necessary for our crop field. Okay, well, so when whatever nutrients or whatever water applied in the crop field, if it is taken by the weeds, then our crop production will be highly reduced. Okay, therefore we need to remove the weeds in order to protect our crop. Right, this process of removing the weeds from the crop field is known as weeding. So what is weeding? Weeding is the process of removing weeds. Process of removing the weeds from the crop field is known as weeding. Okay, now let us see when we have to do the process of weeding. Weeding should be done before the weeds produce their flowers. Okay, weeding should be done before so weeding should be done before flowering. Okay, before flowering we have to remove the weeds. Otherwise what happens? These flowers, later the seeds will fall into the field and the weeds will grow again. Okay, that means before flowering stage means that stage is called vegetative stage. Okay, vegetative stage. We have to remove the weeds at vegetative stage itself. What do you mean by vegetative stage? Last year you studied about vegetative parts. Okay, vegetative parts are leaf, then stem and root. Okay, when a plant having only leaves, stem and root, that stage is called vegetative stage. Once the flowers are produced, then we say that the flower is at reproductive stage. So before producing the flowers we have to remove the weeds. Otherwise the flowers, later fruits or seeds will fall in the field and the weeds will grow again. So that will be a difficult task for us. We have to do the weeding again and again. Therefore weeding should be done at the vegetative stage itself. Okay, weeding should be done at the vegetative stage itself. Next, let us study about the methods of weeding. By different methods we can remove the weeds. Okay, let us see the different methods. The first method is manual weeding. Manual weeding. Manual weeding means it is very simple. See, just uproot the weeds by your hand and throw it away. Okay, just removing the weeds by hand is known as manual weeding, or we can say that uprooting the weeds by hand is known as manual weeding. And the second method is by using some devices. Okay, weeding by using some devices. Generally, a device is used that is known as karpi. Some used to say that kurpi or whatever it may be, karpi, or we can say that hoe. This karpi or hoe also can be used for weeding. And the third method is weedicide, by using weedicides. Okay, weedicides are chemicals which kill only the weeds, but it will not affect the crop. So weedicides are the chemicals which are used to remove the weeds without affecting the crops. They are called weedicides. Are you clear? Hope you understood what are weedicides. See, weedicides are the chemicals which kill only the weeds, but it will not affect the crop. See, there is a common weedicide that is called 2,4-D. Okay, 2,4-D. This D for dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. That is the full form of 2,4-D. Acetic acid. Okay, 2,4-D. Short form, in your textbook you can see 2,4-D. D for dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. This is a common weedicide used especially in paddy and wheat field. Okay, you know that paddy and wheat are a type of grasses. Actually it comes under grass family, we say that. So such grass family are generally monocots. This monocot family of crops will be protected by 2,4-D. Okay, so 2,4-D is a common weedicides used for weeding. Now let us see how we can protect from these weedicides. Protection from weedicides. See, you know that weedicides are chemicals and they are generally very harmful to human health. So we must take all precautions while using the weedicide. Okay, usually the weedicides are sprayed by using sprayer. Okay, so while using weedicide, a person who is spraying weedicide must cover his face with mask. Okay, and he should use hand gloves. A person who is spraying the weedicides must cover his face with a mask and he use hand gloves. Number 2, see, after spraying he should wash all the vessels or the equipments used thoroughly with soap. Okay, that is the next way. And third one, after spraying weedicides he has to wash his body. Okay, wash his or her body with soap water. Okay, with soap water. These are the precaution one must take while using weedicide. What are they? One must cover the face with mask and hand with hand gloves. He should wash all the equipments, sprayer, the vessels, the mug, whatever they use. They should wash all the equipments or all the devices used thoroughly with soap after spraying weedicides, and he has to take bath or he has to clean all his body parts with soap solution. Okay, these are the protective measures one must use while using weedicides. Otherwise, the weedicides may enter in your body and it will create lot of diseases. Okay, so this is about
Dear children,
next
you
step,
please
that is protection from
see how
weeds
the
and
weeding process,
weedicides.
that
Okay,
the
clear?
manual weeding process they are doing. See, manually they are uprooting the unwanted plants or the unnecessary plants called weeds from the crop field. They are just uprooting the weeds. See, they are uprooted the weeds and they are showing. This process is called manual weeding. And now you can see the application of weedicides. Okay, by using a sprayer. These weedicides, say for example 2,4-D, which will affect only the weeds, but it will not affect the crop field. See, while using the weedicides, he has taken all the precautions. There is a gloves, he has used mask. Okay, such precautions must be taken while using weedicides. Are you clear now? Hope you understood the video. Remaining, we'll see in the next video. Thank you.